Good morning, students. So, the last period you have discussed that invertible function and its inverse. Okay. So, last period one problem I explained that second method. Today I'll take that second method. What is the first method? So that method is 1, 1 and on 2. The function f is 1, 1 and on 2. The f is invertible. Now I am going to second method, the composition. Okay. So this is last one. Second method. Given f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Okay. So we have to prove that composition method. Let y belongs to R, 4 domain, where exists x belongs to domain. Y belongs to R, 4 domain, there exists an element, a free image in X. It is free image, such that f of x equal to 4x plus 3 or f of x is equal to 1. 4x plus 3 equal to 1. So what is x? Y minus 3 by 4. Now you can write that inverse function. Let us define G from R to R. Actually it is co-domain to domain. This is domain to co-domain. This is co-domain to. Luckily here both domain and co-domain both are real and so on. Okay. By G of y equal to y minus 3 by 4. One is f of x, another is x, another is g of y. So now g composition of x equal to g into f of x. We have to prove that g composition f of x is x only, that identity, equal to g of 4x plus 3. G of 4x plus 3. Now g of 4x plus 3 means g of y is y minus 3 by 4. G of y minus 3 by 4. So what is g of 4x? Just assuming wherever y is there, 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. Okay. So 3 cancel. 4x by 4 x. G composition f of x. It implies G composition f equal to I suffix r. So G composition f of x is x. G composition f equal to I suffix r. This is called identity function. So what is G? G is the inverse of f. Actually it is f inverse only. F inverse composition f equal to I. Now again f composition G of y. F into G of y. F of, what is G of y? y minus 3 by 4. So you know that f of x 4x plus 3. F of x is 4x plus 3. So 4x y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. 4 cancel. Y minus 3 plus 3 equal to 1. G composition, F composition G of y, it implies F composition G equal to I sub R. See, both are G composition F equal to F composition G. But it's not necessary. Sometimes here like a both are you got same. Sometimes F from A to B. F from A to B means this is I suffix A, this is I suffix B. So luckily here both are not equal. Okay. So G composition is IR, F composition G equal to IR. So these are what is G? G is the inverse of A. Okay. Hence F is invertible. Hence F is invertible. Hence F is invertible. With G equal to F inverse, it implies G of x equal to F inverse of x. It implies F inverse of even you take y only, problem, no problem. Okay. So F inverse of y equal to what is G of y? G of y, y minus 3 by 4. Or F inverse of x equal to x minus 3 by 4. So this is called inverse function. So when it is F is invertible function with G equal to F inverse, with G equal to F in direct only. What is G? When you go to identity function, what is the G? G is the inverse of F. So G is F inverse. So G of y, but we take in terms of y. G of y equal to F inverse of y. So F inverse of y equal to G of y. G of y will y minus 3 by 4. So even this is in terms of y, in terms of x also comes. F inverse of x is x minus 3 by 4. So this is the final question. Particular question is asking, show that the function f is invertible and we have to prove inverse. Okay. And this problem I explained two methods. First method, f is 1, 1 and R2 and the function is invertible. Now here, we have to prove that composition, identity. You have to prove that identity function. When you got identity function, so in identity function, what are the steps? First you raise on to f of x value in terms of y x value. Another is already it is f of x is there, f of x. Then what is the next x value? Next g of y. What is the g of y? It is inverse mapping from domain to codomain, codomain to domain. So you will get g of y. Now you start g composition f of x. You have to prove x. F composition g of y is y. So g composition f it comes identity function of domain. F composition identity function of codomain. So this is. But now it is next problem. So I'll explain 1, 1 and R2. Better go to composition. You have to practice. Okay. Next problem. Consider f from R plus 2 4 comma infinity given by f of x given by f of x equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible, so that f is invertible. With the inverse, with the inverse f inverse given by f inverse of y root of y minus 4, where R plus is the set of positive integers. Positive integers. Now negative. Consider f from r plus to 4 comma infinity given by f of x is x square plus 4, so that f is invertible with the f inverse equal to, so you have to prove this is root of y minus 4. F of x is x square plus 4 and f is invertible we have to prove, so we have to prove f inverse of y is root y minus 4. Okay, so better I will start that count 1, 1 and 2. Okay, given f from r plus 2 4 comma infinity, okay, given by f of x equal to x square plus 4. Now we start 1, 1. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R plus B2 different domains, such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So R2 f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 x1 square plus 4 equal to x square plus 4, x1 square, x2 square plus 4. Okay, it implies x1 square equal to x2 square. 4 cancel, x1 square equal to x2 square. x1 equal to usually plus or minus x2. x1 not equal to minus x2 because domain is R plus, only positive real numbers. Therefore, it implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1. Very, very simple. Be carefully, the domain is R plus only, non-negative real numbers. x1 equal to plus or minus x2 and x1 not equal to minus x2 because here negative is there. No negative real numbers in the domain because domain is R plus and x1 not equal to minus it is not possible. It implies x1 equal to x2, f is 1. Okay. Now how to prove on 2? Okay. On 2. For every y belongs to 4 comma infinity, for every y belongs to 4 comma infinity, O domain, okay, there exists x belongs to R plus such that f of x equal to 1. F of x is 1. For every y belongs to 4 comma infinity, it comes codomain. There exists a domain R plus such that f of x is 1. What is f of x? F of x is x square plus 4 equal to y. X square equal to y minus 4. Y minus 4. It implies x value root y minus 4. Even with plus or minus also you can write. Okay? So x equal to root of y minus 4. My question, whether it is belongs to R plus or not. Yes. What is y? Y should be greater than. So x value root of this is belongs to what? R plus. Because y is greater than 4. Y is greater than 4. Y greater than or equal to 4. It must be positive. Okay? Y greater than 4. Root of y minus 4 belongs to R. Now, so what is here? Students, whatever, don't worry that steps, whatever write, you will get full marks. So I root, some students, the steps they don't know how to write that. Root of y minus 4 belongs to R plus. You write one important sentence. Every element of codomain has its free image. Every element of codomain has its free image. The function f is onto. Now I am taking x is equal to root of y, which belongs to R plus y because y is equal. Now I am proving that onto. Now f of x equal to f of root of y minus 4. But this is f of x is x square plus 4. Root of y minus 4 whole square plus 4. So y minus 4 plus 4 equal to y. So f of x equal to y. Hence, therefore, f is on. F is on. See, root of y minus 4 belongs to R plus. Okay. Why it is R plus 4? Y greater than 4. Every element of codomain has its free image. The function f is onto. Now I am taking it belongs to R plus y greater than. Now f of x is equal to root of y minus 4 root of this x. I am putting onto formula. Wherever you got f of x is what you will tell me. F of x is what? Wherever you got f of x is y, then what is this called? It is called onto only. F is onto. Now we got both. The function f is 1, 1 and on. Hence, what will get? Hence f is invertible. Hence f is invertible. With the okay, hence f inverse is invertible. With g equal to where you write in composition you have to write. Okay. Now f is invertible. To find the inverse. To find the inverse, we have f of x equal to y. We have f of x equal to y. So f inverse of y equal to x. F inverse of y equal to what is x? X value root y minus 4. So this is called inverse function. So you know how many marks this is? 5 marks. Every year, last 10 years I am seeing the question paper, the fixed question that is invertible. Be carefully, but I explained 2 methods. One problem only I explained 2 methods. Every problem 2 methods takes more time. Better you have to practice yourself only. You have to same problem, you go to composition, just you have to compare whether it is composition easy or it is 1, 1 or 2 very easy. Better you will have to decide. Both you have to write one question, 1, 1 or 2 and write another composition method you have just to compare. So which one is easy, that one will follow that. Okay. So this is most important problem. So next problem. show that f from minus 1 plus 1 tends to R, given by f of x equal to x divided by x plus 2 is 1 1. Is 1 1 means he is not asking onto, he is 1 1 only. X1 equal to x2. Find the inverse of the function. Find the inverse of the function. Find the inverse of the function. F from minus 1 to plus 1 tends to range. Solution. Now what is given? F from minus 1 to plus 1 tends to R. Okay. Given by f of x equal to x divided by x plus 2. Actually x not equal to minus 2. Okay. Let this is 1 1. That's 1 1 is telling 1 1. Let x1 comma x2 belongs x1 x2 belongs to minus 1 comma 1. B2 different domains. B2 different domains such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. Let x1 x2 belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 be two different domains such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So x1 divided by x1 plus 2 equal to x2 divided by x2 plus 2. So we have to prove x1 equal to x2. It implies multiplying x1 x2 plus 2x1, okay, x1 x2 plus 2x2. So x1 x2 cancel. It implies 2x1 equal to 2x2 and it implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, what this is? F is 1 1. He's not asking R2, okay? But R2 is given. What is? Because the codomain equal to range is given. Codomain equal to range. So F is R2. F is 1 1. Very simple. x1 by x1 plus 2, x2 by x2 plus 2. Just cross multiply. No need, no explanation, not necessary. You know that. F is 1 1. Now what is question asking? Find the inverse of the function. F inverse. Okay. So given codomain equal to range. Codomain of F equal to range of F. Therefore, F is R. Already is given F is R2. Be carefully. Minus 1 to plus 1 tends to range. In the range place codomain. Codomain equal to range. Codomain equal to range means the function F is R2. This is shortcut. Even show that F is 1 1 R2 means 1 1 x1 equal to x2. But you have to prove that R2. But given range of F equal to codomain. When range of F equal to codomain of F, the function F is R2. So he is asking, but in his question is He is not asking onto. He is not asking, but he is asking inverse. When it is inverse, it must be both 1 1 and onto. Okay, then I am taking that onto. Okay, if so, if you are not necessary onto, but onto means when it is inverse is exists, the function is both 1 and onto. But onto, how to write? The given domain of f equal to range of f. The f is onto. Okay, to find the inverse of f, we have to find the inverse of f. For every y belongs to what? For every y belongs to R, there exists x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1, such that f of x equal to what? F of x is x by x plus 2 equal to what? So I am proving inverse function. What is proving? Inverse function. F of x equal to xy plus 2y. X into 1 minus y equal to 2y. So what is x? 2I by 1 minus y. For every y belongs to codomain, there exists x belongs to minus 1, such that f of x is y. Otherwise, don't worry that you can write f of x is y. So we have to solve x value in terms of 2y by 1. But here y not equal to 1. Okay. So what is here? X equal to 2y by 1 minus 1. To find the inverse. Now you write. To find the inverse, we have f of x equal to y. But it implies f inverse of y equal to x. F inverse of y equal to what is x? 2y by 1 minus 5. Or f inverse of x 2x by 1 minus 6. So this is inverse function. This is another question. But in this problem, he is asking 1 1. So find the inverse function. Find the inverse function, it must be onto only. So because the domain, codomain equal to range, the function f is onto. And before you have to write, I have written the inverse only. You want the inverse means you have to write x. Before inverse you start x value 2y by 1 minus 5. Now you start to find f of x is y. So f inverse of y is 2y by 1 minus 5. Then f inverse of x is 2x by 1. But y not equal to minus 1. So you got range. What is the range? R other than 1. R other than 1 is the range. Sometimes in question D, find the range. Find the range. So f from minus 1 to plus 1 tends to range is there, no? What is the range is the question is asking. Range other than R other than 1. R other than 1 is the range. It is given f from minus 1 to plus 1. F from minus 1 to plus 1 tends to range, no? So range, what is the range? Sometimes I don't know. Range is R, but other than 1. This is the most important question. Consider next problem. Consider f from R plus tends to minus 5 comma infinity given by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible. Show that f is invertible with f inverse of y equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So we have to prove inverse of y. So this problem also, what is given? 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So this is a very important question. You asked it many times. Hardly it is 1, 6 to 7 from hardly 7, 8 problems is there. And out of 7, 8 problems, definitely one question comes. That is 5 marks question. Okay. So all are same type only. But I am doing 1, 1 or 2. Better you go to both the method. You have to practice. Okay. It is weird. So some students are like this 1, 1 or 2. Some students like composition. Okay. Solution given f from r plus tends to minus 5 comma 3. I think it is greater than minus 5. Given that the function f from r plus 2 defined by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay. Now start 1, 1. See, first you have to put invertible. When you say invertible, the function f is 1, 1. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus b2 different domains. B2 different domains. That x1 x2 belongs to r plus b2 different domains such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So what is our aim? Our aim is to solving x1 equal to x2. x1 equal to x2. What is x1? 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5. 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. We have to prove x1 equal to x2. We have to prove x1 equal to x2. Minus 5 cancel. 9 common. x1 square minus x2 square. Okay. 9 common. x1 square minus x2 square. Plus 6 common. x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Minus 5 cancel. 9x square here and 9 common x1 square minus x2 square plus 6 common x1 minus x2. Again you have to mix factors. X plus 1, x1 plus x2, x1 minus x2 plus 6 into x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Then what is the common here? x1 minus x2 common factor into 9 into x1 plus x2 plus what? 6 equal to 0. So what do you want? Tell me. Yes, you want to x1 equal to x1. So g into x1 plus x2 plus 6 not equal to 0. Even x1 plus x2 or x1 plus x2, it is minus 6 by 9. Okay, does not belongs to r plus. Not possible. Even I am taking 9 into x plus 1, 9 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 not equal to 0 I am taking, no problem. Or x1 plus x2 equal to minus 6 by 9 does not belong to r plus, because it is I want positive real number. So therefore it implies x1 minus x2 equal to 0. So therefore x1 equal to, it implies x1 equal to x2, therefore f is very simple. Even if it is 5 marks question is there, now it is going to get 50% marks. With the 1, 1 you will get 2 marks out of 5. So we have to prove the function f is 1, 1. So x1 equal to x2. So it's very interesting, very simple. Only plus minus is there. So minus 5 is 9 common, x1 is x1, the factors are 6 are common. So these are all high school concepts. Okay. So the factors if this is not equal, then x1 is negative. Is that it's rejecting. So x1 equal to x2. the function f is what? Now how to prove that onto? Okay, onto. Onto means we have to prove f of x is equal to 1. Onto for every y belongs to minus 5 comma infinity codomain. What is codomain? There exists x belongs to R plus such that f of x equal to 1. What is f of x? 9x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 1. Be carefully, my dear students. In onto you should write x equal to. onto में क्या सॉल्व करना मालूम है? x वैल्यू निकालना. x वैल्यू in terms of y रहता. x वैल्यू in terms of y रहता. onto first you have is very important. इसमें क्या निकालना? x वैल्यू निकालना. कैसे निकालना? So this is very important. Even though it's difficult also is there, but I'll explain shortcut method. 9x square plus 6x minus 1. It is constant already in high school level in first year. You make perfect square only. 9x square equal to 3x. Very simple. 9x equal to 3x. But I want 2ab equal to 6x only. अब इधर 1 लिखिए तो क्या होता? 6x. अब 2 लिखिए तो क्या होता है? 3 to 6. 2 to the 4 12 होता है. Now better 3x plus 1 whole square. ये 9x square है plus 6x. अब क्या आना? minus 5 आना. ये plus 1 है. plus 1 को minus 6 ऐड करें तो minus 5. अब repeat once again. 9x square बोले तो 3x. But ये adjustment रहता है. ये 6x आना बोले तो इधर क्या रहना? It's very important. If it is 12 is there, definitely it comes 2 only. If it is 12 is there, 2 only. See, if it is 12 is there, it comes 2 only, because 2 to the 4, 4. But 6 is there, here 1 into 2, 2, 2, 3 is 6. But plus 1 is there, here minus 5 is there, plus 1 minus 6 equal to 1. So 3x plus 1 whole square equal to y plus 6. It implies, so 3x plus 1 equal to root y plus 6. So what is x? Tell me. X value root y plus 6 minus 1 by what? Root y plus 6. But question is asking root y plus 6 minus 1 by x. X value root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Follow or not? 3x plus 1 is y plus 6. 3x plus 1 is root y plus 6. X value root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So what I am telling, see, I am repeating many times. क्या तो लिखना है? Students थोड़ा students है, onto कैसा लिखना तो समझ में नहीं आता. Don't worry. ये y. So you know what is the y greater than minus 5. You take greater than minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus. Always it is r plus only. आगे स्टेप सॉल्व करने को नहीं है तो क्या करना है इधर? Simply belongs to r plus. Why it is r plus? Because y greater than minus 5. Hence the function f is r. Finish. This is one. Repeating once again with students. Simply write belongs to r plus because y greater than minus 5. Y greater than minus 5, it is not negative answer, it should be positive answer only. Belongs to r plus because y greater than minus 5. Hence the function is r. Hence the function f is invertible. But I am not taking that method. That method I am explaining only. But now I am proving what? Onto formula. What to prove? Onto formula. So what is onto? Now f of x equal to f of x equal to, okay, f of x equal to f of, what is x here? Root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now I am proving y. Onto formula I am proving. Okay, but this is orally steps only. Orally I have to write. You don't know oral means? Then it's f of x 9. You are assuming this is x, 9x square. Root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 whole square. 9x square plus 6x root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 5. Okay. F of x equal to y I have 1. So f of root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3, this is assuming x 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So I think 9 cancel, a minus b whole square, a square y plus 6, b square 1 minus 2ab root y plus 6. And here 3 1 3 2 of a 2 root y plus 6. Okay, either 3 1 3 2 रहता ना, ये 2 इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 2 root y plus 6 minus 2, because the 2 into minus 2 minus 5, plus minus cancel, y plus 7 minus 7. So what is y? So f of x equal to y. Therefore f is r2. ऐसा लिखे तो इसको रीजन क्या भी नहीं, ऐसा लिखे तो रीजन है कैसा है, belongs to r plus बोले तो y greater than minus 5 and the function f is, even some students linkage every elements of codomain has its pre-image, f is 1 इतने लिखते स्टूडेंट. बट हियर ऐसा प्रूव करे ना, इसको कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है, इसको क्या भी रीजन नहीं देना. सो f of x is y, we know that f is r2. Hence what? f is invertible. Hence f is invertible. Hence f is invertible. When you say the f is invertible, the function f is 1 1 and r2. To find the inverse of f, we have f of x equal to 1. What is f of x? So f implies f inverse of y equal to x. Inverse of any element. F of x is y means what is f inverse of y is x. So what is x value? F inverse of y, x value root y plus 6 minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is he asking in terms of y. So this is for how to solve the inverse function. We have f of x is y. F of x is y equal to inverse function. F inverse of y is x. F inverse of y, what is x? Root y plus 6. So this is a very important problem. Okay, so same type question is there in the textbook. It is solved example. Better we go and see the textbook. Same question, same type question, same invertible and inverse. Okay, so find the inverse of inverse. We have to f of x. F inverse of y is x. F inverse of, so root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. This is also a very important question. This question is asked many times. Even students, average students, they don't that full chapter छोड़ते, एक ही क्वेश्चन पढ़ते, एक ही क्वेश्चन पर तो हाथ कितना मार्क्स 5 marks है, फिर this 11 marks is there. So passing is, don't worry, it's very easy only. So you expect more marks, 80 plus 8, 90 you have to expect. Okay. So better homework I am giving. This is homework. F from n to r be defined by f of x equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15, 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f from n to s, where s is the range, where s is the range, where s is the range of the function, of the function, is invertible, is invertible. Also find the inverse. Find the inverse of f. Same question. First you included 1, 1 and next on to both 1, 1 on to the function f is inverse. Inverse also you get. But if you take f from n to s, this is domain and this is codomain. Okay? And continue next class. So almost invertible questions is over. Next I'll start some composition problems. G composition F, how to solve G composition F, how to solve F composition C, some properties of composition, theorems also there. Continue next week. Thank you.